We're in San Carlos, Sonora, Mexico, one of the best kept secrets in all of northern Mexico. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some homes that are currently on the market for your viewing, each with its own different features and opportunities. The goal is for you to see and compare and to get a clear sense of what type of properties that makes the most sense for you. This is a home that is in the Bahia. It's on the water. It's 5 bedrooms, 5 baths. You have a panoramic view. We are now en route to the Caracol Peninsula. It's a neighborhood high up on the hill. It is in a gated community. All homes have views up here, and there's a lot of Spanish-style homes, a lot of new modern homes. Really sophisticated, great neighborhood to live in. The house we're coming up on is a 4-bedroom house. It has 3-car parking. It has great ocean views on the west side of the property. Caracol stands for snail in Spanish, and it was named that because the roads wind around so much. So that's how you get the name Caracol. And it is on the peninsula, so all properties are surrounded by water, and it's a beautiful view neighborhood. All properties have views. This property features 2 bedrooms on the main floor. It's a big open floor plan. The back has beautiful wraparound deck patios off of it. Just a great property. It also has an extra lot down below it. You could build a pool or guest quarters. The next neighborhood we're going to is what is known as Tecalai. It's a small gated community. It features a clubhouse, and on Friday nights they have an in-house bar for gatherings. It has its own private pool. It has its own pickleball courts, and we're going to be going to we've got this little house for sale by Pam Donnemeyer. It features 2 bedrooms, 3 baths. This house is on the market by Sonia Diaz. 1 bedroom with a separate casita. It sits on 2 lots. Call Sonia for details. This property is located at 301 Nevada. 2 bedrooms with guest quarters, has great indoor patio. It's all kind of gated where it's totally private. We have another listing here in Tecalai. It's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 stories with great ocean views. We are now at 631 Avenue H. And this property is set up for modular housing, motor homes, that sort of thing. If you come in from traveling and have a motor home, you can park it here. It's about a 1,000-meter lot, and it's plenty to big to build on if you want to build a home. Areas for camp trailers. It has a picnic area. It's a nice property for if you want something different and for less money. The neighborhood we're in now is what is known as Lomas de San Carlos. There's some nice housing here. A lot of the housings, when you get around to the back, have nice ocean views. This house is Marcia Romas's listing, and please call her for any detail. The home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's got a big yard out in the back. So if you had a dog here, it'd be a great place for a dog to room for a pool. And we're on the same street. This is 131 Avenida I, and this house would be a great investment property. It's 4 bedrooms, 6 baths, quite unique inside. It's got a big private yard, a big oversized 2-car garage, and there's 3 levels to this house with an elevator, and it's just got a lot to offer. If you're looking for an investment property, this would be the one to buy. We are now on our way to the country club and some of the neighborhoods off of that development area. One thing about San Carlos is anywhere you go in San Carlos, you're only about 5 minutes from any beautiful beach you want to be at. So it doesn't matter what neighborhood you live in, beaches are easy to access. Country Club is a gated community. A lot of the houses butt up to a golf course. Used to be a very professional, well-run golf course. It's not so great anymore. But they still have a men's league that golfs here and stuff, so it is still being used. We're headed to number 12, Serrata Cananea. This is a great house, has a 2-car garage, has a small swimming pool in the back. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. This home address is 428 Guaymas in the country club. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and has great rental capability, and it has been rented a lot, so it would be a good investment if you were interested in a rental property. And it would be a good single family resident as well if you didn't want to use it as a rental. We're now leaving the Royal Gulf. We are headed to Loma Bella, which is also kind of attached to the Royal Gulf subdivision. It's a separate subdivision, but it's being built up now. Lots of new homes going on, lots of construction, but you've got some modern homes, you've got some beautiful Mexican style homes. It's a good neighborhood. The house we're going to look at is a big red brick house. Bricks are made right in the town of Santa Ana. This house has two big garages with an entrance off of the garage. It has an upstairs area for bedrooms. It has an outdoor pool, and it backs up to the road on the down below area. Call Tanya Munoz for details or questions about the property. We're now in the Royal Gulf, which butts up to the golf course. Also, it's a gated community. They have pretty strict rules and stuff, association rules. We're headed to 8384. It's a big house on a big lot. It has plenty of room for a garage. It does not at this time have a garage, but it has a big backyard. You could plenty of room for a swimming pool. There's 2 bedrooms, there's 3 baths, there's an upstairs ocean view. It's a great house. 2,000 square feet. Call Erica Camacho. She's the listing agent if you have any questions and would like to see this home. This property is 1153 Camino de los Yaquis. It's a big 2-story house, very modern, has new modern features. Home features 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. Call Adriana Erebes for details. This completes our tour. We have many more listed properties, and we have something for everybody. And if you have questions, please contact one of our professional agents at Coldwell Banker Encantado Realty. They can answer all your questions about the properties. They can help you understand financing if you need a new loan. They can help you follow through with the trust transactions, whether you be a foreigner or a local. We can do it all. And we have many more properties available, so we have something that meets everybody's needs. Please contact Coldwell Banker for all your real estate needs. Thank you.